YouTube. Today's video I am going to tell y'all a tutorial on how to do this on an aircraft or something like this. Basically, it won't always work, but you're sitting on the aircraft. Here is what you want to do, okay? You hold down your menu button, basically, like the button that would allow you to open this. You hold that down. I'll just do it on this controller for ease. Like exit. Okay. You'll see this thing. Go to expressions, quick actions, and it'll either say avatar height or avatar size. You click on that. Put it to its lowest. You will be this small. Let me show y'all's usual height. This is your usual height, like the one that you'd usually be in a regular old lobby in with. But for this, you want to go to point 20. Try and get in the aircraft. You'll see that you're levitating, basically. Let me make sure the door's shut. Okay, the door's shut, so I can't hear it. Set your size to the maximum, and then you got it. I'm gonna fly this a little. But you see, you can do this. I've already seen all the controls, basically. Hold up. Let's see, can I land on this? If I can, that'll be a good ending. But I just wanted to make this short little video. Angle forwards! What the heck? I don't know what happened. Like, it just did not want to work. And also, when you exit the thing, let's see. Oh well. When you exit, you'll be the big size. If you want to do that again, you set it to the smallest size, go over to the aircraft or vehicle. Yep. For me, it's easiest to just jump. Click that, I guess. But remember, some of this stuff may be hard to do. But, set ourselves to like one of the biggest heights. Let's hope that's not too high. And land on here. Sorry about this. Meant to make this a little shorter, but thought might as well try and land. Do I have the wheels out? I don't know. Land. Amp up the thing so we don't land in international waters. I'm just kidding, they're not international. What the? I do not know why it's being so difficult right now. Should be easy. And also, if you want, you can just set the height from already well inside. But you'll be a little bit inside the vehicle, but, still A-okay. What the heck? Oh, well. Oh, I see. Okay, let's set it to that. Turn. I said turn. Okay. I think what that little aircraft looking thing is the direction you'll go in. Sorry. Thanks. No. My sister just walked out the dogs. Come on. Can I do this? Yee. Oh well, we got it. We're not gonna care. Hey, as long as it worked, say okay. I don't know what's up with the aircraft sometimes, like, oh well. But that's the end of this video. I hope y'all had a good day, and, let me turn on this. But, if y'all want to know what game this was, I'm in VRChat. Go to Worlds. It's this one, Aircraft Carrier Jets F214 or something like that. I don't know what it's called. But, you go there. But that is what I was in. So I hope that y'all had a good time. And thought this video was interesting. But, have a good day. Have a good day, everyone. Bye. Why it takes so long, I don't know. Oh well. Bye, YouTube.